What is the problem? The day it was playing. One second, I'll present the screen. Let me check what is the problem. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't know what is the problem over here because that day it was working well. Anyway, if it's not working, I'll have to open the PDF. Okay, that day simple into compound sentence we had done means you had understood how to change from simple to compound. You are all also giving the answers, right?
Yes.
Simple to compound. You can use the conjunctions from fanboys. You can make two clauses from one clause. So chapter 1 we were solving the exercise. We will continue with that. Yes, now it is playing. Okay, wait, now it will play. Done. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank God.
Yes, sir.
I was praying that it plays and it played. So from here I'll resume from here. All of you be attentive. ये सब हो गया था but still because then we have to solve exercise. How many are listening to me attentively? Tell me.
Okay, sir.
Kenny, how many are listening to me? I'm asking. Okay.
Sir.
Compound sentences. But I will tell you something. If the simple sentence has two or more pieces of information in there, you can use that and transform it into a compound sentence. Let me show you some examples. Example number one. Everyone is scared of her spooky antics. Guys, look at this example. We've got two adjectives here, scared and spooky. Scared is referring to everyone and spooking is referring to her. And we can use
This we had seen, right?
these two adjectives to transform this sentence into a compound sentence. Let's do it. She is spooky, complete sentence, independent clause, and coordinating conjunction. Everyone is scared of her. So we got two sentences here. We got two independent clauses here. She is spooky. Everyone is scared of her. And guys, both these sentences give the same meaning. I can also say she is spooky, so everyone is scared of her.
Remember, all of you, we had done this. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have to make two independent clauses because it is simple to compound, and in between we have to write one coordinating conjunction. Can you tell me number 3? What is the answer?
I am not getting the desired results, yet I am working hard. Now we have two independent clauses here and one coordinating conjunction yet. We just did it. Next example. We hired you for your honesty. Now guys, look at the sentence. What can we use to transform this into a compound sentence? We've got two pieces of information. We hired you, right? And you are honest. And we can use this to transform it into a compound sentence. You were honest, so we hired you. Or you were honest and we hired you for that. Simple. I'm not telling you the rules, guys. I'm telling you how it happens. I want you to understand the process. I want you to understand how it happens. If you just look for the rules, you will know the rules, but you will not have the understanding of the language. And I want you to understand the language, just not learn the rules, all right? Next example. In spite of failing many times, she did not give up. So, don't we have...
Tell me the answer. Change it into compound. Make two independent clauses. Two independent clauses which can stand alone and add one conjunction in between. Tell me what is the answer? Change it to compound. In spite of failing many times, she did not give up. Change it to compound. Anyone? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How will you change this sentence into compound sentence? In spite of failing many times, she did not give up. What is one independent clause already which is given? All these are present, okay. So I should know how many are present. In spite of failing many times, she did not give up. How will you change it to compound?
Sir, can I try?
Yes.
She failed many times, yet she did not give up.
Exactly. Who gave the answer?
Fatima Sarani.
Correct. And these sentences we had done the other day. All the students, I think they remember, but they are not answering. See, same kind of sentence we have. You know, this is exercise number 5, in which we have to change from simple to compound sentence. Know that I had told you? Simple to compound. Same kind of sentence is there in the exercise also. In spite of our search, we could not find the book. So now try this one, Fatima, the same way. See, here you gave the answer. She failed many times, yet she did not give up. That was correct. Absolutely correct. Same way, can you try this one? Can you change it into compound?
Yes, I can try.
Yes, tell me.
We searched the book, yet we were not able to find.
In spite of our search, we searched for the book, but we could not find it, or yet we could not find it. That is what you said, right?
Yes.
So it is correct. Next, number 5. This is my friend Rahul. Now we have two information. This friend, this is your friend, and you have the name of the friend Rahul. So two pieces of information we have. Make two independent clauses. Try it. This sentence also we had done the other day. Two independent clauses with one conjunction in between from fanboys. I want you to make two sentences from this sentence and put one conjunction in between. Number 5. Anyone?
Sir, can I try?
Yes.
This is my friend and his name is Rahul.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Number 6. Also we had discussed. Can you try? Being dark, he went home. Already one independent clause is given. He went home. You will not touch that clause because it is already an independent clause. Being dark. What shall we write over there? We have to make independent clause and also one conjunction has to be added. Coordinating conjunction has to be added. Anyone? Anyone? Two students tried and I'm really happy. Who tried just now?
Nayani Fatima.
Very good. Sarani Fatima and Nayani Fatima.
Sir,
Keep
can I?
it up.
Sir,
Yes.
can I?
It was
Before-
dark, so he went home.
Correct. It was dark, so he went home. So now you know how to change from simple to compound, don't you?
Two pieces of information again. Yes, she failed many times. That's one piece of information.
What answers you gave are correct, but there might be other possible answers also. So please look at the answers. It does not mean that your answers were not correct, okay?
That's not a sentence, that's not a clause, right? And we are going to change this sentence into a compound one. She failed many times, that's an independent clause, complete sentence. But, coordinating conjunction, she never gave up. There we go. Next example. This is my friend Rahul. This is my friend Rahul. Now, how can we make this sentence into a compound sentence? Do we have two pieces of information? Yes, we do. His name is Rahul and he's my friend. So I can say this is my friend and his name is Rahul. Or he is Rahul and he is my friend. Got it? Being dark, he went home. Being dark, he went home. It was dark, so he went home. Again, simple, right? Next example. She did not return home even after getting dark. So we again got two pieces of information. She did not return home. It got dark. It was dark and she did not return home. It was dark, yet she did not return home.
Anyone who cannot understand answer number 7? Are there two independent clauses? It was dark. One independent clause. She did not return home. Another independent clause. What is this independent clause I am speaking again and again? Some of you might be thinking, those who did not attend the previous lectures, कि क्या सर बार बार independent clause बोल रहे हैं, right? You know what is independent clause? What is an independent clause? Hello. What is an independent clause?
Sir, can I say?
Yes, tell me.
Independent clause means to uh, two sentences itself.
Yes. Independent clause is a complete sentence by itself. It makes sense. See, in the answer, compound sentence is written. उसमें से दो sentence बना सकते हैं हम. It was dark. One independent clause. It is a complete sentence by itself. She did not return home. That is also a complete sentence by itself. Next, we met after the game. Can anyone change it into compound? Make two independent clauses. Let me see if you have brains. Use it. It is not just for showpiece. Rack your brains. Think about it. Racking your
After the
brains.
game,
I want two independent clauses. Two independent clauses like the previous one. And in between one coordinating conjunction, that is from fanboys. Anyone? 1 minute I'm giving you. Let me see how much you can use your brain. How much fast your brain works. Here is what you have to apply your brains.
after the game we met.
After तो निकाल देना पड़ेगा. After will not come in the answer. I want you to make two independent clauses. You can interchange the words. I don't mind. You can bring that the game in the beginning of the sentence. We met, you can take at the end. That also you can do. But I want two independent clauses. The meaning of the sentence should not change. Game खत्म हो गई उसके बाद हम मिले. That is the meaning. So that literal meaning of the sentence should not change. Words you can interchange. Anywhere you can put the words. Anyone who can try?
The game we met.
Anyone from here? These are all attending for showpiece. Like they are just over here for showing off. Yes, what is the answer?
Right? See, it's a very simple. We're just playing with the information we have in the sentence. If we simply do not have enough information to change a simple sentence into a compound one, we cannot do it. Okay? So you have to understand how the transformation is happening. For examples, we met after the game. The game got over and we met. The game got over and we met. Again, two independent clauses. Alright? Now, guys, if your sentence has the following structure: subject plus a helping verb followed by to plus adjective, to plus adjective followed by an infinitive phrase, to plus first form of a verb, right? We can change it into this particular structure. Let me show you some examples. He was too busy to join us. He was too busy to join us, right? He was busy, so he did not join us. He was busy, independent clause, complete sentence. He did not join us, complete sentence. So is a coordinating conjunction giving the reason. All right? You are smart enough to make money. Again, we have two pieces of information, and that's exactly what we are going to use to make this into a compound sentence. You are smart and you can make money. You are smart and you can make money. Simple. You can also change two simple sentences into one compound sentence. Example, I was angry I kept silent. There is a relation between these two sentences. And since there is, we are going to change them into a compound sentence. I was angry, yet I kept silent. I was angry, yet coordinating conjunction, I kept silent. Got it? So that's how we guys change a simple sentence into a compound sentence. Now let's understand how to change a simple sentence into a complex.
Now, can you give the answers of the exercises simple into compound? Let me see. You have to make two independent clauses, right? Two complete sentences, and in between one coordinating conjunction. So, who will try the first one? Owing to ill health, he cannot work. Owing to means his health is not good. He cannot work. That is the reason. Anyone who can try?
Owing to ill health, so he cannot work.
See, you are partially correct. 50% of your answer is correct. You have used the correct conjunction. So he cannot work. इतना right है. Owing to निकल जाएगा. ing word will be removed. Owing to ill health means उसकी health खराब है. What do you say that in English?
Sir,
Yes.
he is ill, so he cannot work.
Excellent. And we have two independent clauses. It's not difficult as it seems to be. If you understand, it's a piece of cake, isn't it?
Yes.
But only those who understand. Those who are not attending attentively, for them they will think that, sir, oh, this is, I don't understand, etc. But those who understand, they can even explain others after solving this exercise. That this is how we change from simple to compound. Because there are hardly some students who understand this topic thoroughly. And if you understood, you should be proud of yourself. So what are the independent clauses? He is ill. One independent clause. He cannot work. That is another independent clause. Between one coordinating conjunction. He escaped punishment by admitting his fault. Means what is the meaning?
Punishment for admitting his fault.
See, एक independent clause तुम्हारे पास
Sir,
ready
can I
है.
try?
Yes.
Sir, can I try?
He admitted his fault and he escaped from punishment.
Who gave the answer? May I know the name? Which student gave the answer just now?
It was Mani Sakina.
Okay. So ing what will be removed? She gave the answer. She said admitted, if I am not mistaken, and that was correct. So if you admit your fault, then there are chances that you will not get punished, isn't it? But do you have guts always to admit your fault? Do we have two independent clauses and one coordinating conjunction? You can also write he escaped punishment if you think that it is incomplete, it is not independent clause, right? The sun having risen, the fog dispersed.
Sir, can I try?
If you already have the answer written, then you will not say that.
No.
Do you have the book open?
No.
Then say. Then you can try.
The sun have risen, the fog disappeared.
What I have underlined is what you have to change. One independent clause they have already given. The fog dispersed. वो change नहीं करना है. What change will you make over here?
Rose.
Having risen मतलब sunrise हो गया. It is already done. It is past. So what is the second form? Can you tell me what is the second form of this
Can I
verb?
try, sir?
Yes.
The sun rose and the fog dispersed.
Yes. Who gave the answer?
Fatima Sarani.
Very good. Do you know the three forms of
Sir?
this verb? Risen. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Sarah.
I was just saying that some girls are continuously messaging that they are not able to join the meet, and some of the girls are calling you, messaging you, and they also message Siddhi ma'am, the other teachers also, but they are not able to join the meet.
Is it so? If they have messaged me, then I might not have seen because I'm presenting the screen. But tell them to call Siddhi ma'am. They can call up.
Okay, I'll tell them.
Yes. The first independent clause is the sun rose. Full stop. One independent clause. The fog dispersed. Second independent clause. Rose. What is rose? It is not the rose. It is not flower. It is the second form. Rise, rose, risen. I hope you know that three forms. You must walk 2 hours a day to preserve your health. You will remove 2. That's it. Already 2 independent clauses are given. एक independent clause तो यही हो गया. You must walk 2 hours a day.
You must walk 2 hours a day for preserve your health.
For preserve, but with for we write preserving. For preserving your health. For के साथ तो ing आएगा. For doing this, for doing that. So with for we write ing. But here we don't have to write ing. Think about some other conjunction from fanboys. Only 7 are there. Think about it fast. और कौन सा आएगा? Quick.
You must walk 2 hours a day will preserve your health.
See, first of all, tell me, do you know fanboys full form? The conjunction, 7 conjunctions. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. इसमें से कोई एक आएगा. For will not come. You said for, so I said no. Any other from that 7?
You must walk 2 hours a day and preserve your health.
Which conjunction did you use?
And
Yes. Owen Fatima, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
2 independent clauses that we have. You must walk 2 hours a day, but it is just a saying. No one walks 2 hours a day. Do you?
No, sir. No.
सामने शॉप में जाना हो तो भी हम नहीं जाते. Walking, we don't walk. I include myself. I don't consider myself as an exception. I also do the same thing. Even if we have to go to the shop which is next door, just a few meters away, then also vehicle is taken.
सर मैं तो जाती ही रही हूँ व्हीकल लेके या फिर चल के.
मैंने यही सोचा, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि सारा इस पे कमेंट ना करे. एंड आई वाज राइट. सो वेयर डू यू गो? वॉकिंग.
मैं घर पे ही बैठी रहती हूँ सर.
That is the best thing as of now. But I don't think so. I should not speak because it is being recorded, but what you said is not acceptable. Your friends are also over here. Do you want me to ask them? Do you all think that
Sir,
Sarah
वो
is
कोई भी
sitting
नहीं
home
जा
all day? Just tell me yes or no. No other thing. Do you think that
No.
she is right? No. Okay.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, I
How
don't
many
Actually,
of
think
you
that
agree
is
with?
so.
no,
No,
sir, she
Sarah.
isn't
I can
right.
prove it, but right now, let it be. Recording is going on. I can prove it.
हाँ तो ठीक है सर, मंडे को आपका लेक्चर है ना, आप बताना सबूत, ठीक है,
Okay.
जब रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू ना हो तब.
Sure. But it's not a big deal. See, your friend said that it is wrong. So your friends know you
मतलब
better.
जाती हूँ, लेकिन है ना कभी कभी मतलब पापा के साथ है ना, अगर कहीं
Yes.
पर ले जा रहे हैं तो जाती हूँ.
Yes. So
पूरा दिन
I'm not.
वीक में एक बार सर, वीक में एक बार.
Oh,
इतना
now
ज्यादा नहीं
that
जाती
is
मैं, इतना ज्यादा नहीं
overstatement.
निकलती, इतना ज्यादा नहीं निकलती हूँ बाहर सर.
But now you changed your statement.
हाँ तो सर मतलब घर पे है ना, जेल में बैठे ऐसे लगता है, तो बाहर तो जाना ना. वीक में
Definitely, you
एक दो
should.
बार जाती हूँ, वीक में
Yes.
एक दो बार जाती हूँ, मतलब इतना ज्यादा नहीं निकलती हूँ बाहर.
सारा थोड़ी देर रुक तो, सॉरी, सांस
Yes.
ले ले
Take.
थोड़ी.
हाँ, अभी मैं वही बोलने वाला था. सांस लेना बीच में भूल मत जाना.
Sir,
This answer was already given by Fatima Sarani, I suppose.
sir,
आगे बोलना है कुछ मरियम, या फिर से सर सर पे अटक जाना है? मरियम,
yes, sir,
मरियम,
yes, sir.
मरियम. सिलेट या मरियम?
माइक ही म्यूट कर दिया.
हाँ तो वो तो करेंगे
मरियम.
ही ना.
Sir, era दो मरियम भाई है, बॉडी वाला और मैं. Like
सिलेट या
me.
मरियम?
दो है सर.
मरियम,
सर दो है. आप सदैव लेके बोलो.
you just see how it feels. Seeing a bear coming, he fled, means he ran away. So of course, you will not stand there to welcome the bear. Let come and eat me.
Sir, can I
Ah,
try?
bear. Yes.
He saw the bear coming, so he fled, or so he ran away.
He fled. Yes, it was correct. Good. At least you gave one answer.
सर मैं सोच रही थी, लेकिन और मैं सोचती हूँ तब तक वे सब आंसर्स दे देते, तो मैं क्या करूँ सर.
I can understand. Till then, you might be roaming mentally somewhere in the park, in the garden with your friends and clicking pics after a long time, right? So, two independent clauses. He saw a bear coming, first independent clause. He fled, second independent clause. In between, we have one conjunction, that is coordinating. Now, in the next sentence, see, first of all, you'll have to understand, because this word you,
सर,
all of you might not have.
एक बाकी है. स्क्रीनशॉट लेने देना.
Notwithstanding all his efforts, he failed to gain his end. So, first thing, this word might not, you all might not have heard. Do you know the meaning of this word? Notwithstanding. Maybe some of you might not have heard this word. मतलब उसने जो efforts किए वो सब waste गए. He made means efforts उसने सब किए, पर हुआ क्या? He failed to gain his end. See why I am using Hindi. Actually, I am not supposed to use it, but this topic is such that I cannot directly explain in English. Otherwise, it will be like giving answers directly. So just tell me what is the answer. Tell what is the answer. So one independent clause we
Sir,
already
can I
have.
try?
Yes.
Although he gave it all his effort and he failed to gain his end.
You cannot use although. Although is a subordinating conjunction. We can only use in complex sentences. This is simple to compound.
Sir, I have one
Yet, yet all of his efforts, he failed to gain his end.
Okay. So the same answer, you are 75 to 80% you are correct. But one clause I will change in your answer. See, he failed to gain his end. That was correct. And you used yet. That was also correct. सिर्फ ये जो क्लॉज है नॉट विथ स्टैंडिंग ऑल इज एफर्ट्स, इसका मैं कुछ अलग बोल रहा हूँ. कैन यू चेंज इट? मीन्स उसने सब एफर्ट्स किए. व्हाट इज दैट इन इंग्लिश? उसने सब एफर्ट्स डाल दिए.
He made
Can I say?
the efforts.
Yes.
I threw. He
Although will not
squad.
come here. See, although is a subordinating conjunction, it will not come in compound sentence. Sarah said yet. That is correct. Yet or but, both can be used in this sentence. Now the answer should be like this. He made all his efforts, but he failed to gain his end. Yet भी आ सकता है. He made all his efforts, yet he failed to gain his end. Got the answer?
He made all his
Yet,
efforts, yet he failed to
understand.
gain his end.
Yes, correct. So now 3 answers are left. I will send the answers of this exercise. You have to complete this exercise.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next time we have simple to complex. And please be attentive because that video we will resume from where we had stopped. Simple to complex baki hai abhi. And once you understand this, the next lecture, you have cleared one most important topic of 9th and 10th.
PDF भेज दोगे ना?
Answers I will send. PDF is already there of textbook. Answers I will send of exercise number 5 today. Complete it. That is homework.
Sir, bye.
Okay,
And one
sir.
time in rough book also, please, because this is very important. Not just in textbook. One time in rough book.
Okay,
Along
sir.
with the question.